Hello everyone, this is Fawad. Welcome to Future on Cloud. In today's video, I am going to start mobile device management. So in Zero to Hero series, this is the playlist which we are going to cover. So in last video, we have started Azure Ready Security Baseline. So for now, I'm going to skip point number 2, Microsoft Defender, and I am going to jump in on the point number 3. Once we finish that one, then we will come back to point number 2. So let's jump in our playlist. So in mobile device management, we will define the MDM and MEM scoping, then CNAME validation for Windows enrollment. Then we will move forward to create enrollment status page, then the cleanup policy. Then we will jump on hands-on for onboarding of mobile Intune. Then manage app. We will push some apps as a corporate apps, which is really required for our end customers or end users, right? So let's jump into our company portal. So I already logged in on Microsoft admin portal. So once you logged in, you need to click on endpoint manager and you will see that Microsoft Intune admin center page. So our next step is we need to define MAM and MDM scoping. So there are two ways to define this scoping. I'll show you both ways. So whatever is convenient for you, you can choose that. So the first one is you need to open Azure Active Directory, which I have already opened. From here, you need to expand this setting option and then mobility. From mobility, you need to click on Microsoft Intune, and this is the scoping for MDM and MAM. So far, we are going to cover all, so that is why I have selected all. If you want to specify a group of users, then you need to click on some and then you have to select the group on which you wanted to apply this scope, right? So far I am going to apply for all users. So this is the first way, and the second way is you need to click on device in admin center portal, then enroll devices and automatic enrollment. So here you can define the scoping as well. Both options are same, but there are two different options from where you can apply that. All right, so let's move forward. Our next step is verify the CNAME validation for Windows enrollment. This is really important if you wanted to enroll your Windows operating system with Admin Center. So in order to verify, just click on enroll, and this is the CNAME validation. In CNAME validation, you have to specify your domain name. Like my domain is Future on Cloud. Then perform test. If this is successful, then you are good to go, as I have already configured the CNAME records. So I just wanted to show you how you can configure it. So if it is not set up for your domain, so you can set up. So on the main portal, click on setup, and from this portal, you have to select a custom domain. So let it load. Okay, get your custom domain set up. As I have already completed, so just to show you, click on manage, select your domain, DNS record, and manage DNS records. And this is for auto discovery for the configuration of your Outlook clients. This is not for the MDM, but you need to select the CNAME records for MDM, which you need to enter in your control panel where your domain is hosted, right? So here you need to click on more options, add your own DNS record, click continue. Click on advanced options. This is the option Intune and mobile device. So these are two CNAME records which you have to enter in your control panel in order to register it. So I have already added it, so it is not required. So let's go back to our playlist. So CNAME validation for enrollment, it is done. Then create enrollment status page. By default, it is configured. So from here, you can configure the enrollment status page if you wanted to specify as something related to your company, like for support information. And there are few things which you can specify, like enrollment of devices. So here you can select yes if you wanted to show the current progress to your user. So you can specify these options like the show apps and profile configuration process progress, and then show error after 60 minutes. If device take longer than 60 minutes, then it will show error. Show custom message when time limit or error occurred. So if something goes wrong during the installation, so you can specify uh, the custom information like contact for your contact support team for further information or for further troubleshooting or for assistance, right? So you can specify your email ID, your contact number here, so the end user can reach out to you. And then some log collection and out of box provisioning, then block device use until all apps profile is installed. So you can block it, let it finish the process. Then once the process is finished regarding the application installation, then user is allowed to use this device. Allow user to reset the device if installation error occurred. So these are the default option. Just keep it as it is. Assignment. So here you have to select the number of user on which you wanted to apply this profile. So you can select for all user, or you can go ahead with the particular group of users. So in my case, I'm going to apply it on a particular user where I have added my user. I don't want to apply it for all. Scoping, we will discuss it in detail later on when the scoping part comes in. Then review and create. So as you can see, this is the priority. By default, the you can move back and forth if you have more than two policies, except the default one, and it is already assigned. So our next task is create a device cleanup policy. Device cleanup policy is something like if device is not online for a specific period of time, then you can consider that device is stolen or no one is using that device. So in order to protect your company's data, so you can define the cleanup policy. So data will be wiped out after a specific number of days, which you will define in the cleanup policy. So in order to define this cleanup policy, in admin center, click on device, then scroll down and click under other, you can see the device cleanup rule. So here you need to define delete device based on last check-in date, yes, and the delete device that haven't checked in for this many days. So here you need to define the number of days. Let's say if the user is not signed in or device is not online for 60 days, remove whatever is available in work profile of that particular device. So the device limit is number of days is 32 to 70 days. So click save. device will have been inactive or a specific number of days will be detected from Intune save changes. Okay, let's see. So device cleanup role is configured. So next one is onboarding of mobile Intune. So and manage app should be pre-installed on the device. So we will perform these two tasks all together. First of all, we need to define the application which we want to be available in company's profile for end user. So let's specify the application profile first. In order to specify it, you need to jump into all apps and then uh, hold on. Before defining these apps, so let's define the enrollment policy first. Click on device, enrollment, enroll devices. It will not show anything here. So under Android enrollment, first of all, you need to link your personal or company's Gmail account with Google Play for Android. So if you did not link your account, then the user will not be able to download that application. And as you can see, the enrollment profile is also grayed out. So in order to make it available, you need to link your account first. In order to do that, click on manage and then accept the terms and conditions and launch Google to Connect now. So it will open another page. So you just need to click on enroll. For me, it is showing re-enroll because I have already enrolled. So I just disconnected for demonstration. So that's why it's giving me an option to re-enroll. Otherwise, it will give you an option to enroll your device. So as you can see, now I am connected with Play Store with my personal email account. So now you will see these options are available. You don't need to do anything on personal owned devices. So far we are going to enroll personal owned devices in company portal. So in order to push the apps, let's define some apps. As you enable, if you have noticed earlier, nothing was available here. As we have connected our Play Store, these default apps appear. So now what we need to do is we need to assign some apps as I'm going to use our Android phone. So we will use manage Google Play app, select, and from here I will choose couple of apps which I want to be available on the work profile. So like the most important is Outlook. I want this application will be available as I enroll my device on the portal. And the next one is Teams. This should be available whenever a user enrolled his device. And then like Word. So you can add as many as application. Okay, let's choose Chrome as well. Now click synchronize. So after a couple of seconds, you will see all these apps should be available here. So here we go. So let's say the Google Chrome, there are three options. Click on properties. And in assignment, there are three options required: available for enrolled devices, and available with or without enrollment, then uninstall. Required mean whenever end user enroll its device, these are the mandatory apps which should be installed as user enroll. The second option is available for enrolled device. It will be available in the Play Store. So if user want to install a particular apps, it will be available in the Play Store. So user can uh, install it from the Play Store. Available with or without enrollment, it will be available either user is enrolled or not. And uninstall is if you wanted to remove a particular application from all work profiles. So you need to define that particular application and you can uninstall it from all the registered devices. So let's go and add this under required application. You can add for all user or you can specify a group of users. So let's say I wanted to go with a particular group and this application is required. So just make sure it should be included, not as excluded. Otherwise, this will not be available. So the second is Outlook. It is mandatory. It should be configured as a required application. Then Microsoft Teams. This we can say available for enrolled device. And likewise, we will say the word should be available for enrolled devices. So now we have specified a particular application and it is assigned to our non-admin users group. So let me show you the groups as well, which I have already created. So these are all groups. Click on as group and look at the members. So there is one user which I am going to use now. So let me show you the Android enroll device. So nothing is here so far. So let me, so this is my Android phone. So in order to enroll your device, you need to download one application first, company portal. It is already installed. Let me see. This is the company portal. Reset work profile. So once you download this application, you will see this page. So you just need to sign in. I am going to sign in with the user which is available in the group which we have added. So let me put the password here. So I'm going to hide it. Once you type the password, need to approve it as I have enabled multi-factor authentication for this user. So once it is approved, so here you can see the feature on cloud access setup. So it will create work profile, then activate it, then update the device settings. So let's tap on begin, then continue, agree. Now it is setting up your work profile. If you look at here, it is setting up our work profile. So now my device is locked. I cannot do anything as we have specified a policy in enrollment page until it is completed. No one is allowed to use his mobile phone during this setup. So tap on next. It will take couple of minutes. So the work profile is created. As you can see here on the right corner, the briefcase icon, it is basically representing to your work profile. So it's registering my devices. So after a couple of minutes, you will see my device here. So let's refresh. Might be we can see here. Not now. Once the device is enrolled, we will see a company portal app, other application which we have mentioned as a required application like Outlook and Microsoft Teams. So it is done. So tap on done. So here you can see now it will create a separate app for your official work and separate profile for your personal use, right? So the briefcase icon represent that it is managed through the company portal. So now our device will be available here soon. So let's open our Play Store. Let's see. So here we go. Let me show you the profile first. So here you can see now the work profile and a personal profile. And in work profile, Outlook was required app and Chrome was in the required app. So it install as the device is enrolled. If we see our personal, so there are other applications, right? So let's tap on the work profile and these applications are available. If you look at the Play Store, Team is available. It should show Word as well. If it is not showing, so you can search it. So here you can see Word and Teams are available in for enrolled device. So let's log in with the account. Okay. Net. Let me type in the password. So we will add another account later on. So far, we did not define any privacy policy. We will do it in upcoming videos. So this is the evidence, like your organization protect data in this app. You might need set some things to set up access, right? So this is the proof, like your device is enrolled and it is managed through your company portal. So con continue, and here you can specify your pin, let's say 1234. It should show here as well. Yeah, here you can see my device is registered and required applications are available. As we have specified, Outlook and Chrome in the required app. So let's look at the app. Chrome was in the required, then Outlook was configured as a required app, right? And Microsoft Team was available in the Play Store. Yeah, available for enrolled device. So if you tap on Play Store, you can see Teams, and the word is also available in the Play Store, right? So this is it for now. So in this playlist, we have covered up till point number 7. So, so these are the pre-installed devices which we have, pre-installed software which we have covered in this video, and we have also configured some app which is available in the Play Store. So in next video, we will move forward from point number 8. So this is it for now. See you in next video. Keep watching.